Okay, welcome back to the Jolly Boys channel. We're now with Com, and we're with the Suzuki Smash. It's now been finished. Quite a major rebuild by the look of it, and we just have a quick look at the piston. How badly scratched was this piston? This is the old piston, but look at the scoring around there. And what you got to remember, see, before we went to Cambodia, this was a brand new piston, so it tells us the sort of abuse these pistons have to put up with. So, come, what have you done? What have you done?
I have to rebore and put a new piston.
Okay, so there's been a reborn new piston, yeah.
It's about 116 now.
116cc?
Yes.
Oh, cool, yeah. Yeah.
Put a new battery.
A new battery, yeah, because...
For high quality. Because we have spotlight,
Yeah.
USB charge, and everything for power socket.
Oh, excellent, yeah, because one of the biggest problems was... See, a lot of people don't realise when you got an ECU on a bike, it requires a consistent charge, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, we call it condenser charge.
Yeah.
Cannot work without the battery, you know.
That's right, yeah.
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 The
The bike will run, but it won't run, yeah.
It's like the problem of Suzuki.
Yeah, yeah.
If don't have the battery, condenser cannot charge.
The Honda's a bit similar, but I remember when we was in Cambodia with this, you know, Arm was refueling the bike so many times. It was using so much fuel because there's no fuel regulation, is there?
Ignition cannot burn gasoline.
Yeah, yeah. It's not regulated, is it? It's not controlled. Yeah.
Get high performance.
Let's have a look at the spotlights. What's the spotlights? I think Richard's going to say this is the wrong bike, you know.
Two system, you know.
Oh, very nice, yeah.
Silent.
Rich, he's got him on the wrong bike, mate. Oh, wow, yeah. They are nice lights. They are very nice lights, yeah.
And,
so you put a USB on, or?
Yes, we have USB. It's number one. USB
okay, yeah. 12 volt. Yeah.
Look at this. We have a.
Oh, you got the compass one on. Yeah.
Look good.
Yeah, Richard, this is one, mate, you got better stuff on the red bike than the blue bike. So this is a compass with a USB on the top.
It's very work, you know.
It's nice, isn't it? Yeah.
Very well. Straight already. Not bad. It's work.
Well, it's a good brand, isn't it? You know, it's
Motor Wolf.
Yeah, Motor Wolf is always a good brand. Yeah, it's looking really nice. You straightened out all the whole rack has been straightened out.
Yeah.
That's really good. So you didn't have to rebuild that. All the rear rack has been straightened out. So the engine running good, yeah.
Very good.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Powerful. Yeah, but I can imagine now. So maybe Richard's gonna want to swap the bikes over. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, great job, Com.
Yeah.
Great job.